All right, we are going to move into some time spent at workstations this morning. At this workstation, there are going to be different colored mats, and you need to make sure that you pick a mat that you think will help you be the most successful. So when I go over to the workstation, I'm not going to be looking through all the mats. I'm going to say, oh, this one looks good. I'm going to be using this one, and then I'm going to place it right down in front of me. Once I've done that, I'm going to look at the top. I'm going to look really carefully, and I'm going to look at one shape at a time. So the first shape here is squares, and it has a 4 next to the square. So I'm going to make sure I pick out 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, and I'm just going to be touching one shape at a time. So at the top of the mat, you're going to have all of this information. You're going to have numbers next to shapes. So you need to make sure you're doing one shape at a time, and that you're counting carefully, and that you're being respectful to the people around you. So if somebody's trying to get their squares, do you think it's the best time for you to be grabbing your squares? No, you have to be patient. All right, so once I have all of my shapes, I'm going to look at my mat more carefully, and on the mat there's going to be an outline of a shape. So in this outline, I'm going to make sure that I carefully put it together. And then when I'm done, I'm going to see a very familiar shape for most of us. So when I look at the shape, I'm going to remember what I learned, and I'm going to know how to divide it in half. So I'm going to divide the shape in half, and then I'm going to be done at the workstation once I've divided all of the shapes. So if you're having trouble, you need to remember 3, then me. And we're going to have a lot of fun. All right, guys, do you have any questions?